Top 3 habits to keep your eyes healthy. First, to keep your eyes healthy, the most important tip is not to overstrain your eyes. When the eyes get strained, they cannot function properly and the micro muscles of the eyes get blocked. Oculomotor eye muscle can get spasmed and myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia can appear. Myopic eye muscle spasm causes consistent pressure on the eyeballs and worsens blood circulation and worsens metabolism and recovery. Only relaxed eyes without any tension can work well and all processes in the eyes will go nice and smooth. Second, a lack of blinking can be a basis for many eye diseases. If you blink every second, eye get necessary rest and don't get tired from the screen time. Retina gets the rest and recovery at the moment of blinking. It tremendously helps to keep your eyes healthy. Soft blinks help your eyes to change focus from near to far, for example. Or if you move your eyes to the side when you blink, eyes can shift to different distance, so it is super important to develop a habit to blink softly and every second. Third habit to get clear vision is to give conscious periodical rest to your eyes. For example, after 10 to 20 minutes of screen time, just close your eyes for a few seconds and relax them. Take a walk around your room to look at the window so your eyes can change the visual distance and to give rest to tired eye muscles, which were working at a close range. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The link will be in the description below.